Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So again, MRN with recent Google news jumped up to 1142, closed above $10. Looking to see if we can continue. I'm going to go over exactly which indicators we are going to be looking for to have a continuation and what exact momentum I would be looking for to have a major breakout going into next week. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So again, MRIN with the recent Google news that we did alert this one in the Instables room on this spike, and looking to see if we can continue with this momentum as we did consolidate here. We came back down, consolidated, and then had that continuation on up, looking to see if we can break above our gap down and consolidated point here at $10, mentioning here in the Instables room to have that continuation, had that spike up to 1140 on that breakout, and then came on back down since then, also alerting that we did need volume from there. Again, looking to see if we can continue with volume. We did have some volume, but did not break above our previous volume point, showing us that we did have not as much volume as we did need, but however, we did spike up right before going to 600 hours, looking to see if we can continue with that momentum going into the next week. Now, I'm going to back up to the 1 hour and then the 4 hour chart so you guys can see what we are looking at. So you guys can see on the 1 hour chart, we did have that bounce on the 200 moving average, having that technical breakout, again, with not as much volume as we did see on our original breakout, but still looking to see if we can continue here on MRN again. So I'm going to back up here to the 4 hour chart so you guys can see which key resistances we need to hold above and also why we may continue. Again, as you guys can see, we have the 200 moving average that was recently on that major spike above the 50. And again, the 200 moving average being the yellow line and the 50 being the red. As you guys can see, we did have that 200 moving average cross below the 50 after we did have that major spike. And we have been waiting for this 200 moving average to cross above the 50. We had recent spikes, did not have that confirmation on that momentum. As you guys can see, we have the 200 moving average now crossing above the 50 here on the 4 hour chart, showing us that we do have momentum and gave us that continuation going to today. Now, as you guys can see, we do need to make sure we can break above our very specific resistances here. As you guys can see, we had our continuation sell off at about 1150, could not hold the body of the candle above this mark here at 1150 when we did have this bounce from that sell-off. And then as you guys can see, getting rejected almost exactly at 1150 going to today. Looking to see if we can continue past that 1150 mark. And also our next resistance coming up here at $16. We did have our continuation sell-off at $16 here on MRN. And then our major breakout point at $25 that we could not hold the body of the candle above here on the 4 hour chart. Looking to see if we can get that major breakout past 25 now. Going into next week, we are trying to hold above 1150. Now, as far as a continuation, we are sitting at about $10 going to extended hours. Looking to see if we can respect that $10 mark going to pre-market on Monday, and then continue on past this 1150 mark going to tomorrow, and then looking for that $16 resistance as a very key resistance coming up next if we can continue on past it. Again, here on the buy pressure, continuing on the buy pressure, looking to see if we can continue with this buy pressure. Again, making sure we do hold above 1150 going to next week. If we cannot hold above 1150 going to next week, then we are more so consolidating than we are looking to see if we can break out. Again, with Google news, definitely on the watch for a possible continuation. Not many stocks have been holding up, looking to see if we can continue. In my opinion, MRN definitely on the watch list for that possible breakout. So again, if you guys do want to see all of our penny stock or breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a breakout alert of it again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel and everybody that has been in the comment section, I appreciate every one of you guys. As always, much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help if you find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.